Little Excavator by Anna Dewdney. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beat, beat, beat. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Tom, you saw an excavator at Daddy's work. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. See how the bulldozer knocked the walls down? Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator. Now you're in a jam. He got stuck. Grrrm goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smusha, smusha, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator, over with a clunk. He fell over. Poor little E. Droom goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. That's a really big dump truck. There's little E. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. Here comes the big truck. Get out of the way. Brump goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang, work, work, work. There's little E trying to dig a hole too. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. He's so little. Whir goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh, high, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator. You're too small. He can't reach as high as the big crane, can he? Because he's little. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it. Not a single one. I wonder if these trucks are too big to get across the little bridge. Do you think little E could get across the little bridge? Do you think he can fit? Everybody tries it, and it's much too tight. See how the big trucks tried and tried to get across the little bridge, but they couldn't fit. Look who's smiling. Can he fit across the bridge, Tom? But can it be? Little E fits just right. He did fit across the little bridge, Tom. It looks like he's carrying a tiny tree. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. He did. He planted an apple tree. There's work to do just for you, here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. The end. Did you like that story, Tom?